Hi, in this course, we shall learn one of the most important concepts one has to know while programming, that is object oriented programming, which is popularly called as OOPS. I'm Shekhar Srinivasan, a Microsoft certified trainer, Pluralsight author, and an architect. I have been providing trainings for more than 23 years on various client server, mobile, and cloud technologies, and trained more than 1,70,000 students and professionals in classroom, and provided trainings for more than 800 plus corporate companies in India and abroad. Welcome to my course Object Oriented Programming with Python. In order to get the best out of this course, one has to have basic programming background on Python. If you don't have any background on Python programming, feel free to join in my course Python 3 Programming Step by Step Guide for Beginners, and then you can continue with this course. If you already have background on Python fundamentals and if you wanted to know how to implement object oriented programming in Python, then you are at the right course. Join in this course and I'm sure you won't be disappointed, and by the time you complete this course you will have a complete confidence on object oriented programming in Python. See you in this course. Hi friends, hope you are enjoying my videos. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of all my latest videos. Happy programming, yours Shekhar.